Hello students, this is the script number 3 to guide you to draw the page number 9. This one is the page number 9, you can see. Um, the page number 9 you see now, they ask you to draw the figure below by using AutoCAD with scale 1:1. Give the dimensions and center line as shown, right? First of all, I want to let you know that they are asking you to change the dimension here by your ID student. Okay, radius 8x, that means x is this number of your ID student, and R5y, this number of your student. All right, so for this lecture I will give the x 0 and y 0 for clip, just only clip video. All right, so then you see that I would like to starting from, you see the plan when we want to create this one. I want to start from uh, each center point. The first, we have this center point in the pinks, maybe number 1, number 2, and number 3. And this side is number 4 and number 5. Okay, want to create each center point first. After that, I put each circle, okay, each circle to each center point we provided. After that, we're gonna place on this one, the internal tangent, and so on to the next tangents as well. So first, let's we do the center point. Okay, 5 center point. We locate this 5 center point by first open AutoCAD. This one new with the ISO 128 24, but it's not this for us, like browse template. We from the clip number 2 we save is by this name. Okay, academic year 2022 21, and open. Please select that. So we can check that we have the all layer type, line type we give, okay, in the clip video, and then the annotation with the ISO 128. Right, so first we gonna locate the center point, okay, of 5 center point. We're gonna use the spatial line, so is projection line. Okay, you select, before you draw the all line you have to choose the layer first, projection line. All right, do not forget to select the layer projection line. So for projection line we do not use the the line commands we use, but we use the X line. Is here X line. What is the X line? It's like the construction line. There is no starting point and no the end point. It's an infinity length of line. Okay, so type or press the icon X line, enter. So specify a first point. I often start to the 0 and 0. Okay, 0, tap 0 and enter. Now it's not fix the angle, right? For the projection line, you know that we just draw vertical and horizontal, so I recommend you to on this point. Okay, on. So it's gonna be this. So make vertical and horizontal first and enter. Okay, just two line. You see that there are no end and no starting point of this line. So the next command is the offset. Okay, offset. Okay, I think I'm gonna be draw the command list here. First X line, and next the new one is the offset. The next is the offset. You type offset, or you can click this icon. Okay, and enter. So now to see the dynamics inputs, you can see that specify offset this tense, or now its default is 2. Or you can select it from here, you click on this if you want to use the T, true, or erase or layer. So sometimes you can type the T or E or L to select this as well. All right. So this time I want to make this one is the first center point. So you see that the second center point is from the first is 40. Okay, 40. So I use this length for the first offset. So I will be offset this line to the first one, to the second point. See that? 40. And zoom in, okay, to see more clear. And next, go to the second point, use the 30 by offsetting horizontal line to above. Offset here, and the default is the previous one is 40. You can change the length to 30. So now the first and second, you can do it like this for all by the projection line. Maybe I will stop it at the number 4. No, number 4, I'm sorry, this is number 3, but the number 3 use has to use this 100. Just number 4 first. You say you can offset from this horizontal line for 70. Okay, 70 millimeter from this line above 70. You got the 1, 2, and number 4. So we can now draw the circle. Okay, you can now draw the circle. So you can put the circle by 30 diameter. Okay, 4 multiply diameter 30 means it gives a difference color. This 4 by 30 diameter is this circle, this circle, this circle, and then this circle. Okay, so this time we use the visible line. Okay, change to visible line to draw the real circle, and change the circle. You can select the circle radius or circle diameter. So this time I use diameter. First point, you can click here or type 0, tap 0. It's like this, and put 30. You can see this the size of length like this. All right, they want to ask you to put diameter by this length 30. All right, and then you can select more circle here 30. Now it's two circle, this 30 and this 30. But if you want to draw more, I will recommend you to use this command copy. You can copy here 30 diameter, select objects, right click or enter and select the base point here and stop here. All right, you know fix this one first and click enter to leave from the command. It's like this, like this. So you see that it's this this time they not show the different ways. You can click this one on, okay, to show the different ways. All right, so I'm gonna find the center number 3 and 5 and back to projection line or and then offset 3 and 5. So number 5 first. Number 5 40 from 4 and 35 from 4. So offset again, offset length is the 40 from this point to the right side, and from this line to the above is 35. So you got the center point number 5, and for center point number 3 is away from number 5 is 100. So you need to draw offset this line from this line for 100. So 100, okay, and from the center point 2 for 70, center point 2 for 70, this point, okay, do not miss this point. You see that this one is diameter 30 again. Okay, copy, click here and enter, press here. Next one, you can put all of circle you want, okay, maybe by the center point 5 first. This command list we use copy, and then diameter 50 for 2. This is 50 and this 150 as well. This point, okay, escape first, forget to select the visible line. 50, you can copy or create a new one. So 50. All right, and back to center point 1. I'm sorry, this one is 60, this one is 50. So we can change, so delete this one, right click, delete or erase, or put delete on your keyboard, or you click this icon, erase circle. This time is 60. Sorry for that. And here is 50. Okay, you can create it more. So then 20. Okay, so it's 20, 20, and 20. This time I use copy 20. Just copy. Okay, copy, select objects, right click, select the base point and click to the point we want to go. Escape. Alright, the circle is finished. Maybe all circle is finished. So you're gonna save first. Save maybe in desktop. Grade 9 like this, or by your ID student 64 1054. For me is 0000. Okay, it's for me P9 or grade 9. Long name is okay. And save by DWG. All right, 2018. Save. Okay, this I finished the clip number 3. Okay, the next clip video is talking about tangents.